Insurance planning, 6 out of 7. You can see the finish line from here. This is really quite something. I'm impressed. You're really diligent. I'm very proud of you. So let's get to it. Insurance planning. So what do we need to be thinking about as far as the retirement planning checklist? I think what's on everybody's mind with all the healthcare issues is what kind of health insurance are you going to have until Medicare kicks in at age 65? What are you going to do? What do you have? And if there's going to be a gap, what's it going to cost? You know, at 65 age or older, there's a fair quantity of statistics that suggest that unexpected medical costs in retirement are really quite problematic. So I think that's something that deserves a fair amount of time and exploration. Long-term care insurance, either you're going to do long-term care, you're going to take and not do long-term care, or you'll have some provision where you'll self-fund, or you'll have a serious discussion with your relatives and children. So I think it's just something that takes some pondering, and it's pretty much very difficult to determine on long-term care. So clearly spend some time on that. Life insurance needs, revisit those, take a look at how they're titled, who the beneficiary is. It may be that there's some kind of an income schedule that you can determine on those things. But again, review those, get a hold of the agent that is responsible, and make sure you record what you have, make notes on sticky notes to stick on your policy. And you know, again, some of the simpler stuff is auto and homeowners insurance. As you well know, you get your policies in periodically. Coverages change over time if you don't pay attention. You could be surprised. So I would take a look at my various coverages. If disability is an issue for you, take a look at it's likely to take and terminate from your employment upon retirement. Liability, I'd always check my umbrella policy on my homeowners. It's usually prudent to take a look at that and see if you get some coverage there. So not a very long segment here on insurance. I think you need to make sure what you're doing there and make sure how your policies are titled and their coverages. So again, common sense stuff there. This is pretty short, and as always, we'll have the disclaimer at the tail end. This is Bob Rourke at rsassetmanagement.com. If you have a problem or question you can't answer, give me a call, 719-219-8444, or Bob at RS Asset Management. Did the math, you're at 85.71%. If you've got 6 out of 7 done, you're getting toward the head of the class, and you've got one more segment, so don't give up now. I'm impressed, proud, congratulations. Until the next one, take care.